Hi, I'm Gary Lewis with Hunters Connect. Setting up a ladder stand is one of the easier and safer stands to put in your favorite tree. Whether you're an experienced hunter or new to the sport, following these steps will help ensure a successful setup. First, I want to note that the manufacturer of this stand recommends 2 people are needed to safely put it up. So Trevor is here to help me. Once you have your ladder stand assembled and up to the manufacturer's specs, double check all the parts and pieces to ensure they're correctly in place and tightened down. Before lifting it up, make sure you have each stabilizer strap attached at the top. These come in handy later. Your perfect tree has been found, so let's get this stand up. First, either tie the stand base off to something or place it against the bottom of the tree to help stabilize it when lifting. Pick up the platform end and slowly start walking it up, sliding your hands down the ladder to maintain an even balance. Adjust the stand so the platform and seat are even or with a slight lean back, since the bottom ladder will sink into the ground over time. Stand on that bottom step and put weight on it to sink it in as much as possible. Okay, heavy lifting's over, and now moving on to the supports. I like to get the ladder support bar in place first. Most stands have a preset spot they want it. Just make sure it's nice and tight to where there's not a lot of flex or movement in the ladder. Now, remember those stabilizer straps we put on earlier? Those are the solution to securing this stand so we can safely climb up. We're actually going to cross them in the back, but before reattaching them to the stand, I'm going to find something a little more stable to tie them off, helping lock the stand to the tree. These vary in length, so you may need additional rope to get the length that you need. Okay, we found solid ground anchor points for the top. The ladder base and middle sections are stable, and now we're ready to climb up with our partner holding firmly. Make sure you have these essential items with you before leaving the ground. Tree strap readily available, lineman strap, haul line, your harness on, and ratchet strap. To make it safer and easier while climbing, I recommend a small backpack with your additional accessories be brought up with the haul line after the stand is properly installed. Now let's double check everything is secure and head on up. Get the lineman strap around the tree as soon as possible at the top. Then secure your tree strap and harness to the tree. Wrap the final ratchet strap around the stand, and you've just successfully hung a ladder stand. Our final steps are to bring up your accessories, trim out any limbs that are in the way, get your lifeline set up, bow or gear hooks attached, and then once on the ground, tie the stabilizer straps back to the ladder. I hope you learned a trick or two for your next ladder stand setup. If you follow these steps, your next day hanging stands will be easy and seamless. Please feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or additional safety tips. Thank you for watching Hunters Connect.